Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the live video monitoring feature for the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni. If you're interested in the X8, shop the link in the video description. So here's a look at our device from our Ecovacs account. We're going to tap on the image of it to be taken into our main menu here. And up in the top right-hand corner, we have a little camera icon that we're going to select. And that'll take us into our live video monitoring, where we have a lot of features that we can cover. First, we'll just start bottom left-hand corner. We have manual controls if we want to drive the robot around. Top left-hand corner, we have our map. So we can see our map right here. And then we can edit the points, right? We could remove those, adjust them as needed. We can add them. You can do that right there on the map, which is pretty sweet. Then in the top right-hand corner, we have the X to exit out of this, as well as a little light icon. So video recording status reminder. Do you want voice, light, open all? So pick and choose how you want to be reminded right here. And I can select open all as well. So you got all three of those options there. If you want to learn more, you can, but basically either or both. Then bottom right-hand corner, we have return to station. So if we're driving it around or it's out and about and you want it to go back home, maybe early, you can just have it return to the station. That way you don't have to drive it either. Voice call, if you want to listen in, have two-way audio, dialogue, you can. Then we have patrol options. So it's going to patrol all around to those points that are already set up on our map right here. So that's what it's going to do right now. 4 different patrol areas. And then we also have arrival on command, which this is just going to be the map, and you put one spot on there, and that's where it's going to go. So you have either option, patrol, or basically one at a time, like a pin and go setting there. And then we have our camera option here, where we can take photos or videos or view our photos or videos. So let's snap a picture. It just took a picture. Now we can record a video too. So it's recording a video. I don't see a countdown timer, but I'm guessing it's 30 or 60 seconds max. All right. It's in the restroom. So it just took the video. We can choose to save that if we want. And it's still patrolling. All of that in real time. We can go back to the map here, showing the 2 areas that it already patrolled. Now what's interesting is, I wonder if it's how it was selected. And again, this was just done automatically. But I wonder if it's how you select it, because it should have. We just went to the room that was right next door. But that's fine. We get a little extra drive time here. Activate the camera again. We can take another video. And again, it's doing a 360 at each spot, giving you that full vantage point. Got a preview of the video. We can save it or discard. Snap to pick. Take a look at this though, pretty sweet. All done on its own. Get another pic, and we'll get another video. Again, it's doing a 360. Now it's making its way back. Can save the video on its way back to the station. Lining up its pursuit. Boom. There you go. Simple, straightforward, pretty cool live video monitoring with photo and video capture.